Hello, I am the Stock Options Hero, and from here on out, I'm going to share with you stock options secrets that only the most successful option traders know. In my videos, you are going to see my secret options trading system that only a handful of people know. And as I'm sure you're well aware of by now, options trading can be very lucrative. However, most options traders are not consistently successful, or even worse, lose money trading stock options. Trading stock options can be a high probability trade if done properly. Let me show you. Now, each day I will record a video where I play simulated options trades. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos daily to learn how you too can be a successful stock options trader. Disclaimer: these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or stock options. Before I dive into today's stock options video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will see my videos as soon as they are posted. This way, you won't miss out on any paper trading ideas. Tell me in the comments section which option trades you are looking at paper trading, and if you're lucky, I might do analysis on a ticker symbol from the comments section. All right, let's leap into today's video. Welcome to another exciting video. All right, today we're doing what we do every day. Look at how much money we made. Okay, so today, our PL day is 1285, PL open 844, net lick 101, 911. So let's see, our biggest loser is BUR. So we've got the 1250 call, looking at BUR. Okay, so it's trying, but yeah, it's running out of steam. It's gonna fall back soon. At least I'm hoping it will. So not worried about that. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see what SPY is doing. Okay, so I don't want to draw a trend. Okay, so looks like SPY is still range bound and most likely will revert back down to the 388 or 390 price level, maybe even 387.50. So yeah, let's see what other option trades we could get into today. So today's the 5th. Switch over to the charts, sort by implied volatility. Okay. Well, that's not what I wanted. Looks like KOLD is rallying a little bit, but not worried yet. Coinbase. Maybe if we'd got in up here, but I think there's most of the move has already occurred. Probably will go down around the 50-51 level. AI, as predicted, it's going to retrace back to this level before finding support. We should definitely be out of AI by now. Yep, looks like we got out using our stop loss, or stop gain in this case. ENVX. Okay, yep. We are in this one. So, what did I do? There we go. See. Yeah, I don't like entering a position when it's trading at the mean, unless it's like an iron condor or something. And I'm not going to get into the iron condor strategy right now, but if you do know about iron condors, you could look to set up your wings on these LRC +2 and -2 standard deviations, or even going further out like a 30 or a 10. I'll get into that in a future video. Okay, we're in this one already. See how stocks don't like trading above this top LRC. See, it did it back here in April of last year, but didn't hang out very long in that area before it fell back. So I would imagine it should easily retrace back down to around 1350 to 13 even. Not really any decent trade setups today. Actually, Jimmy, I thought we were in this one. No, we're not. I don't like how the stochastic's crossing the 30 line down here. I do like how MACD is crossing. And then IV 74. Okay, so the 16. Yeah, there's just no money in it. So, moving on. Okay. So this is confirmation that if you draw a trend line right here, if it closes, well, it's not exactly a flat trend line, but if it closes below this, then it will most likely fall to the mean. So let's see, what's like the 24 or 2250 trading for? Maybe like the 2250 and the 25. If you wanted to go for a really high probability of success, you could try the 2530. But like anything in life, when there's a high probability of success, then you're going to trade off for some potential profit. So this isn't even 10%. So we could either increase the net credit we're asking for, or we could do the 2250 and the 30, but then you have like $7.50 wide on the strike. So you're risking 700 to make 50. Right. See, I'm feeling okay about the selling the 2250 and buying the 25. So risking 213 to make 35. Let's see if we do 5 contracts. So risking 1069 to make 175. Okay. So things I like about this trade is the stock is an overall downward trend. It's breaking below this pennant pattern, at which point the share price should drop between the width of this pennant. So from 2308 to 18, say 19. So you're looking about a $4 move. So should go down to about 15. So yeah, around the mean would be my guess, or I should say educated guess. DKNG, I think we're in this one. Seems like I've traded DKNG quite a bit this year. It's been pretty consistent winner for me. It's stayed pretty well within this LRZ channel. Okay, Dash. This is DoorDash. I like how the price is starting to lose its momentum. MACD and stochastic are crossing to the downside. My DMI is heading lower, which is indicating a potential reversal. So let's see, what is the 65 or the 70 going for? 65 is too high of a delta. I generally like to see my prob out of probability OTM around 85. So let's try the 75 and the 80, see what kind of credit we can get. So risk 444 to make 56. Yes, that's within our 10% tolerance. Okay, so risk 890 to make 110. Got an 86. Yeah, 86.31% of it expiring out of the money. So, and using the technical analysis, I'd probably increase that to 95% probability OTM just from experience. I mean, the market could turn, but with everything I'm calculating it mentally in our favor, I would give it probably closer to 95% probability. So, okay, we'll send that one off. Sorry, I'm not feeling too hot today, but I wanted to get the video out just so we can have I'm doing my best to record these videos every trading day, just so you can kind of see my thought process as I trade this strategy. And the more exposure you get to this strategy, the better off you will be in trading it. So yeah, we're in BITO. American Airline, or Alcoa, sorry, Alcoa. All right, IoT. Yep. And that one as well. Yes, this one's trading around the mean, so it's definitely no. No. Not gonna do it. No. And my videos are designed to be watched consecutively. So if you're just watching this video, if this is my first video that you're watching, I encourage you to go back to day one and watch each video consecutively so that you can get kind of the background on my mean reversion strategy, because I don't want to have to explain it in every single video. My channel is designed to be watched consecutively, so if you're lost or confused, please go back to video one and then watch them consecutively. Thanks. I think we're in Baidu, are we not? Yep. Well, wait a minute. Guess we're not. I guess we were, but then we got out today, so we made $372 on that today and got out. So, quick profit. Not too bad for a couple days worth of trading for a high probability trade. ABNB. Nope. So like a 130. I mean, ideally, just looking at MACD and stochastic, the ideal time would have been on this candle to get in, right, where it touched the top linear regression channel. But it looks like it's been channeling sideways, and my indicators are telling me that it's probably going to fail and revert to the mean, or even head to this lower blue LRC. So let's see, what is the 130? I mean, not an ideal, but just got slim pickings as far as trade entries right now. So Man, this one's over 20% return on capital. We do let's try the 135, 140, because remember I want to stick around the 85% prob OTM, around the 17 delta. So yeah, we're still getting above 10%. We're giving up greater credit for a higher probability. So I'd rather take 10 to 15% return on capital with an 85% probability of success than a 20% probability or 20% return on capital with an 80% probability OTM, if that makes sense. So let's do 2 contracts. Okay, send that off. And another reason why I'm going further out to the 135 is because I generally like to enter my trades at this top blue LRC or the +1 standard deviation LRC or the +2 standard deviation LRC when going short, and we're already well below it. So I just want to have a little more cushion if ABNB starts to rally soon. And ARK kind of looks like the ABNB trade. So what's the 45? Not ideal. I'd rather it look like this back here with the MACD and the stochastic. But even if ARK and ABNB just channeled sideways like this, and we have our short strike up here at 45, we're still going to take our max credit or max profit on the trade, right? So 45.50. Yep. So right at the 16 delta, 87% probability OTM. 11-cent credit, not too excited about that, but still above our 10%. Rough calculation in my head, we can do 10 contracts. The problem with doing that many contracts is you're going to pay more in credit. I'm sorry, pay more in commission rather. So that's the downside of doing a greater number of contracts. So what you can do for that is try to increase your net credit, but then it indicates that you might not get a fill. So maybe try to eke out 2 to 3 more cents on the credit, but let's see, 10 contracts, increase it to 15 cents to pay for the commissions. We'll send that out. If we don't get filled, oh well. I mean, I'm not too crazy about this trade, but it could be an okay trade. Okay, I think Ego, this is a El Dorado Gold, so it's a gold stock. It looks like it's finally starting to run out of steam a little bit. Like back here, look like it might, because we have a bearish engulfing candle. IV's at 50. RSI looks like it's just crossed to the downside. The DMI looks like it just barely turned down today. I mean, could it run up to this top LRC? Sure. Could it run up to 13? Not probable, but it could. So let's see, like, what's the 12 going for? Okay, so no. Probably want the 13 strike. So if we do like the 13 and we do the 18. So the 13 would put us way up here and, you know, pretty safe in my opinion. Let's see what kind of ROC we'll get. So yeah, we're above the 10%. Probably do 9 contracts. Yeah. So risk 1040 to make 135 with a 85% probability of success. And looking, once again, using, that's why I like to incorporate technical analysis along with the probability OTM and the delta. I feel it gives me a slight advantage when you have multiple supporting indicators. And then, you know, along with that, I use the LRC. I have MACD, stochastic, DMI, RSI, and it looks a little convoluted, but after you've placed, you know, quite a few trades, it just becomes second nature like anything else. It's like learning how to ride a bike was a little daunting at first, but after you got the hang of it, you don't even think about it anymore. And I mean, while I don't advocate one should trade without thinking, but you also want it to be kind of on autopilot using your trading rules, as long as you have some kind of evidence that your trading rules can help you be consistently profitable, right? So Meta, finally, we're getting a bearish engulfing. If I wasn't in this trade, I would definitely be putting on a new trade today, but it looks like we're already in it, and it just has to drop down around 197 for us to get out. My guess is we'll probably fall back down to around like the 167, 165 level before it finds any support. Maybe could go down to around 190 for support, but if you look historically, it stayed below this top blue LRC channel. So I just expect it to revert back down, most likely below it. Okay, so we're now looking at the IV column. We're under 50, and I don't like putting on trades under 50 IV. So there's some other maintenance we need to do on the account. So what you could do is look at your open positions and figure out what your net credit was. And so we took in a net credit of 35 cents. So I have that 1750, so we can create a closing order at 10 cents. Once again, I try to do it around 50% of my original net credit, but at the same time, I like to have my commissions paid for because I'm kind of cheap that way. And I generally don't have an issue getting out of my positions. So. Okay, so we, here's the trade price, right? So we took in $1.15 credit. We paid out 55-cent credit. Right, so 65 cents. So 115. I can't type today either. Can't do math. Can't type in my head. Can't type. rough day. Okay, so 55 cent, 60 cent credit. So 30 cent would be our 50% of our original net credit. Looks like it midpoint is at 20 cents. So why don't we try to eke out just a little bit more? I don't think I'm being too greedy here, because it still has plenty of room to run to the downside. So I'm looking down this column to see what I have closing orders on. I'm just kind of going down the list and putting on closing orders. And anytime I place an order, whether it's to sell to open or buy to close, I'm always doing a GTC order. I'll put this one around 50 cents. Actually, I'll do 45. I think we paid about 90 cents to get in. So actually, you know what? We took in a credit of 90 cents, so we'll close it out for a 40 cent debit. Double check GTC, send. DKNG. So roughly 30 cent net credit. So we'll close this one out around 15 cents, or we'll do it at 10 cents. I also like to do it at round increments, so like 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. It's pretty fast to go through and create your GTC closing orders. So this one's 30 cents initial credit. We received 50 cents, paid out 20 cents. So that means our net credit when we put on the position was 30 cents. So half of that would be obviously 15 cents. But once again, let's do it at 10 cents, get our commissions paid for. And yes, you do run the risk of it potentially not filling or getting out of the position, but honestly, 5 cents on an option contract isn't much at all, and options can fluctuate considerably throughout a day, and I'm comfortable doing it 5 cents under my 50% of my original net credit. So like 72.50 is half of this. So if we close it out around, we'll do 60. So I'm just left clicking on the 220 and then control clicking on the 230. And then I right click. You have to make sure they're both highlighted. And then right click, create closing order, and then buy one vertical. $0.40 to get out. So we're taking a 50-cent credit on this one. So then we'll close it out at 20 cents. So 25 cents would be 50% of our original credit, subtracting 5 cents for commissions. So it's around 50 cents. So we took in 73, paid out Sorry, I'm like, wait, no, the credit should be greater than the debit. So we received a 128, paid out 73, so that's 55 cents. Divide that by 2, right? 27.50. So why you give me so much trouble? Okay. Close this one out. Say 15-cent debit. So Baidu, because there's zero quantity, it means we don't actually have an open position on it currently, so we don't need to. And also under PL open, if it's zeroed out, anyway, so yeah, don't even bother creating a position to close it if you're not in it right now. So it's kind of a waste of time. We'll close this one out around, say, 20-cent debit. Close this one out, say at 10 cents. This one's a 35-cent net credit. So we'll close this one out around 10 cents. This was a 50-cent net credit, so after that would be 25. We'll do 20-cent net debit. Okay. So yeah, it didn't take very long just to go through and create our, since we sold to open, we're buying to close. So we took in a credit, and then to close out your credit spread, it's going to require a debit spread. So anyway, thanks for watching today's video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you. Have a great day.